Hi guys, here I'm going to review my first ever serious foundation. I'm talking about none other than the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. This has been remastered to a brand new finish. It now comes with a pump, so you don't need to buy one separately. This is almost like having skincare in a bottle. Since it's a serum based foundation, it gives you a radiant finish. It has a lot of hydration in it. I'm in the shade NC30. Here I have not done any correction. I'm going in straight with the foundation. We can see the coverage is quite good. This is a foundation with a lot of skincare ingredients in it. As you can see, it helps me build coverage so beautifully. This is a buildable, weightless foundation. It has over 30 skincare ingredients. Just quickly take a buffing brush and make sure there are no streaks or lines anywhere on my face. I would lightly set it with the Studio Fix powder in the shade